Man rescues 20-foot python from dumpster with bare hands, says I feel honored. A heart-stopping video from Los Angeles shows a reptile expert rescuing a massive 20-foot python from a dumpster. Wearing his casual clothes without any safety gear, Joseph Hart climbed into the dumpster after locals spotted the giant snake near an apartment complex known as Reptile Hunter on social media. Hart approached the python, which was resting along the edge of the dumpster, and waited for the right moment. He then swiftly grabbed it just behind the head to prevent a bite. Once secured, he climbed out, allowing the massive snake to coil around him as stunned bystanders looked on. He posted the video of the rescue on social media and expressed his excitement about the opportunity for some good old-fashioned reptile wrangling. Nana post shared by Joseph Hart, Reptile Hunter. Reptile.Hunter. And the sad reality behind the rescue. Hart revealed that the snake, whom he named Apples, was abandoned in a small bin inside the dumpster. He discovered that Apples was suffering from a serious mouth infection, a condition common in snakes kept as pets but often neglected. He believes the previous owner was overwhelmed by the cost of treatment, saying, "This breaks my heart because the previous owner was most likely overwhelmed with the idea of treating the medical condition, as vet bills can be pricey." But dumping or abandoning the animal is no solution either. No help from authorities before Hart arrived. The police department, animal control, and reptile rescue groups were notified, but none were willing to assist. Hart revealed, "I was even told that the snake would have been put down." His decision to step in made all the difference for Apples. "I am so honored to have had the opportunity to give Apples a second chance. She's strong, beautiful, and I can tell you right now, has the will to live. Sometimes all we need is a second chance," he added. Hart hopes for a new beginning. He thanked everyone who supported the rescue and reminded pet owners never to abandon their animals. Even when things get tough, swipe left for next video. So to all pet owners, there may be times when our animals get sick, or we're simply overwhelmed with them. Please do not commit animal cruelty or abandonment. There are people who can help, Hart wrote. He further shared that Apples is on the path to recovery and is expected to live a long life as an educational animal. Latest blogs.